Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna build a DIY smallest 3D printed power bank. This DIY power bank uses a single 18650 Li battery and fits into a sleek 3D printed enclosure, and it's capable of 2 ampere of fast charging current. Due to its small size, you can even carry it in your pocket where you like. Let's start making this project by ordering the 3D printed parts from GLC 3D. GLC 3D is one of the most reliable 3D printing manufacturer. They provide 3D printing service with different kind of material. To order 3D printed parts, simply upload your 3D model, select material, quantity, and select the product description, and then submit the order for instant checkout. After 1 week, the package arrives with nice packaging and the material also feels strong and rigid. The quality of the parts are top notch. You can find the 3D model link in the description.